We've had a really rough week this week in cryptocurrency. FTX collapsed. A lot of cryptos went down because of it. And we're watching Bitcoin here because this is a paper trading account and my videos here. I have a playlist on Investopedia. So this playlist involves me buying and selling crypto related stocks, ETFs, that kind of thing. And right now I started this at 100,000 and we're down a little lower than 100. I've been in and out of trades. I had to recover a bit and I had to try to make up for some losses, and I actually did. So I'm going to try to do that again. I'm thinking that maybe we won't go any further down this week and we might even turn around and go up. So that's where I stand. So Bitcoin is trading at almost 17,000. It dipped down as low as 15,006, which was, I think, the lowest price in the last 2 years. So let's go into Investopedia and go shopping. I'm going to basically buy what I sold out of the other day in my last video. So I'm going to buy Riot. I had 250, so I'm going to just put in Riot real quick. Search. Sorry about that. I'm going to put an order through for Riot, 250 shares at market, good till canceled. And I'll put in an order for NILE, 25,000 shares at 15 cents, good till canceled. And I'll do a buy order for MSTR or MicroStrategy, 25 shares, good till canceled. And I'll put a buy order in for 1,000 shares of Hive blockchain. And DigiHost, I'll put an order in for 5,000. Access to good till canceled. 5,000 shares, $3,500. And there we go. Now I wait to see if I get filled. So I'll give you an overview of where we stand. So my portfolio was same as it was when we left off. I sold out of basically these same stocks the last time I was here for profit. And geez, I'm trying to get to 100,000. So this whole bet today is that Bitcoin will recover somewhat and I'll be able to sell out at a profit. Otherwise, anything could happen. Bitcoin could dump on us again. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Please hit a like on this video and hit that bell to be notified when my next Investopedia video comes out. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye-bye.